That skill presents multiplying and dividing. Let's quickly review PEMDAS or BODMAS. Before we go on to talk about the rules of multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. There's a good chance you already know by now that the B in BODMAS stands for bracket, O stands for off, another way to say multiplication, D for division, M for multiplication. I'm going to write multiply. A for addition, add in short, and S for subtraction, subtract in short. So if we have a math expression, let's say 1 plus 2 times 3, because multiplication comes ahead of addition, we are going to do the multiplication first. We are going to do a 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 first, and then add the 1. And therefore the answer, the numerical value of this expression is 7. Now I have to say here that division and multiplication have the same order. So it's not like division is done before multiplication. In a math expression, if there is only division and multiplication, you got to look from the left and move towards the right. Between division and multiplication, whichever comes first, you just got to do that. And the same goes with addition and subtraction. It's not like that addition comes ahead of subtraction, they're at the same level. So you start from the left. If you come across an addition first, do that. If you come across a subtraction first, do that. Now obviously you would be wrong in this particular problem if you added the 1 plus 2 first to get a 3 and then multiplied the 3 with 3 to get a 9. And that's a different answer from what we have over here. If you really intended to mean the 9 as the answer to this expression, all you need to do is put a parenthesis around the 1 plus 2 or a bracket around the 1 plus 2 and then times with 3. And that would indicate whatever is inside the bracket must be done first because B comes first ahead of everything else. So we do the 1 plus 2 first, 3 times 3. And that gives you a different answer. Off, like I said, is just another way of saying multiplication. Often you see this in percentage and fraction problems. For example, 2/3 of 12 is equal to 8 because this means multiply the fraction 2/3 with the number 12. You cross off the 3 with the 12 because 12 is a numerator. 12 can be written as 12 over 1. So 3 is on the denominator, 12 is on the numerator. You can cross them off. Write a 4 here. 2 times 4 is 8. This is 8 over 1, which is 8. So off pretty much works like a multiplication. Let's talk about the rules of multiplying and dividing positives and negatives. Rules of multiplying are dividing positives and negatives. And the rules are pretty simple. If you're going to multiply or divide two numbers of the same sign, the answer is always positive. If they are of opposite signs, the answer is negative. As easy as that. For example, -3 multiplied with -5 is a positive 15, whereas a -3 times a positive 5 is a negative 15. If you want to divide -21 with 3 or positive 3, you get -7. But if you are dividing -21 with -3, the answer is positive 7 or simply 7. Let's try and simplify 2 plus negative 15 times 2. So this is going to be equal to 2 plus, bracket first, negative 15 times 2 or positive 2 is negative 30. A negative times a positive is a negative. Therefore, this is going to be equal to 2. Combine the two signs together. A plus with a minus gives you a minus. 2 minus 30. The negative is more than the positive. So the answer is negative. Negative how much? 30 minus 2 is 28. How about 3 minus, let's say, negative 10 divided by 5? Bracket first. So we are going to do a 3 minus. Let's not touch that. Negative 10 divided by a positive 5 is negative. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now we can get rid of the parentheses of the bracket, combine the two negatives to get a single positive, 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5.